everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making a rainbow sun catcher using wireframes from John Bead and Crystal Lane faceted glass beads, which I love because they really catch the light and they come in a ton of different colors. Now this rainbow sun catcher would look beautiful hanging in a sunny window, or heck, you could even hang it off the mirror in your car. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hey. Are you ready? Let's make a rainbow sun catcher. Czech glass beads originated before the Czech Republic, after which they are named. In the 1550s, the Czech Republic was known as Bohemia. It was there that glass bead making sprang up in the cities of Jablonec, Stanovsko, and Bedřichov. In the mythology of the ancient Greeks, rainbows were the personification of the winged goddess Iris. She was the messenger between heaven and earth, hence the representation of how the rainbow hangs between the two. Did you know a rainbow is actually a full circle which can only be seen from the air? The horizon blocks our view of the other half of the rainbow when we're on the ground. I'm going to leave a link to John Bead and everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling. And I'll see you next week. Bye. We are making a rainbow beaded hanging, what do you call it? Ornament?